Hey guys, Brandon over at LS4 King. Today we're talking about the 4T80 Swap Essential Package. This is something that you guys have been asking for a very long time, and I'm pleased to finally be in a position to offer it all to you so you can jumpstart your 4T80 swap. Now, up until now, I've been very transparent on what it takes to do the swap. I've spent a lot of time doing some videos on the modifications necessary to the LS4 to mate the 4T80 to it. And previously, I have sold some of the components you see here piecemeal. So you could buy a mount kit, you could buy an oil pan with a starter, you could buy axles. But the truth is, I've never had it as a turnkey package that makes sense and simplifies things. I've listened to the community's concerns. They don't want to be chasing hardware. They don't want to be chasing fittings and bolts and things like that. So we put together this package in an effort to simplify things. So what's included? These are the key components that you need to mechanically get your 4T80 mated to the LS4 and on a W-body LS4 subframe. So starting with the heart of it, is the LS4 King stainless steel oil pan. This is a brand new product. I've got a nice video that you can watch that goes into depth about the construction of the pan and some of the key features. But at the heart of the kit is the pan. It includes the starter, dual magnetic drain plugs, return port, fittings, plugs, mounting hardware is all included. In addition, we include a remote oil filter relocation block with dash 10 fittings, O-rings, and mounting hardware. Comes with a pan gasket, bell housing conversion hardware, so you got the correct length and you don't have to chase that down. Our 4T80 swap conversion mounts, 3-piece mount kit, hardware for the mounts, as well as a pair of axles designed to work in conjunction with our mount kit on the LS4 subframe. So essentially what we've done is taken all the guesswork out of the mechanical components to get that transmission into your car. So you can see we have a lot of the components installed here. That's the billet aluminum side mount, the LS4 King stainless steel oil pan with starter. This is the front steel tubular mount. And back here is the steel transmission support mount. It's a triangulated design, which allows you to eliminate the upper dog bone. It orients the drivetrain in the correct forward location so that you have adequate clearance in the back for the steering rack. And this is designed to work with factory knuckles and wheel bearings, whether it's ABS or non-ABS, it doesn't matter. The axle kit is plug and play. These are new axles. There's no core exchange on them. This is the most comprehensive mechanical kit we've been able to offer to date. This is all stuff that's readily available in stock, so there's no wait times, and that's how we're going to keep it moving forward. So again, I'm not going to go into what it takes to do the 4T80 conversion. I've got some great videos on that I will link in the description, and you can revisit those. But this makes everything much easier for guys. In the past 10 years since I came up with this conversion for the LS4, guys have had to, this was really oriented at builders. This wasn't necessarily like a commercial kit that you could just buy all the pieces, bolt on, and go. We're getting much closer to that reality with this kit. And as this is the essentials, this allows us to build on it moving forward and offer things like electronic solutions, transmission cooler solutions, and hopefully get the 4T80 conversion to a very economical point where you can buy every single component off the shelf and bolt it right on at home with a little bit of modification to the transmission case and engine block as we've outlined in other videos. So I hope you guys are as excited about that product as I am. I know how frustrating it can be just having to chase down bolts and fittings and things like that. We've taken all the guesswork out of it for you. Everything is included. Really, really nice package. This will be up on the website available for purchase. If you have questions or you need something in addition to what you see here, don't hesitate to email sales@ls4king.com. We're looking forward to helping you make some power and get it down to the pavement. This transmission's the way to do it if you're chasing a number. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.